Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today all about organic fertilizers. Looking like juice, right? But no, these are not for us. These are the food supplements for our plants, for the healthy and disease-free growth of our plants, to avoid any type of pest attack or insect attacks. We have to use the organic fertilizers. These are made up from all natural things that are easily available in our surrounding only. And the method is very simple, easy and fast. So let's see how to make them, how to use them and how to get the flowers, more flowers in our garden. Organic fertilizers are like immunity boosters for the plants because they have good amount of micronutrients and macronutrients in them and that are very good for the plants. Here we are going to use all these things. Green kitchen waste, any type of vegetable or fruit scraps can be used here because they have good amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium in them. Nitrogen will help for the healthy growth of leaves and stems. Phosphorus is for the growth of roots and flowers. And potassium is for the immunity boosting. If we add potassium in the plant, then there will be the resistance to fight against the diseases. So we need all that. Then we need any type of medicinal herbs like neem or tulsi. Then jaggery to store any type of liquid fertilizer. This is very good because this will have good friendly bacteria in them in the liquid so that we can store for a longer time, and this will also give the strength to the plant, and roots of the plant will have any type of fungus. Then if we add jaggery in this, so that will be good. Jaggery will remove all the fungal infection in them. Then we need scissor to cut all the organic matters into small pieces, or else knife, and this type of jar to store all the liquid fertilizer and water. Now I'm going to show you 5 types of organic fertilizers today. This is made up from all leafy vegetables and fruit scraps. This is made up from banana peels. This is made up from beetroot, carrot and pomegranate because that have good amount of beta carotene. And this is made up from neem leaves. From onion leaves, from onion peels. When the liquid fertilizer is ready, we have to use all these liquid fertilizer 2 cups in 5 liter of water, and then we have to use in this type of sprayer for our plants. We can directly also use we can directly pour in the roots, or else we can spray on the leaves as a natural pesticide. This is totally eco-friendly. Here no chemicals are used. We have used all natural things. So this is one type of sustainable way. We can also protect the environment, and we are using some good resource from the nature. Now we are going to make an amazing liquid fertilizer made up from all vegetable scraps. First of all, we have to make small pieces with a scissor, or else we can take a knife also, and then take a jar, put all the vegetable scraps in this, add some amount of jaggery to avoid any type of fungal infection, and then add 1 liter of water. This is because all these leafy vegetable scraps have a good amount of antioxidants. It will increase the phosphorus, nitrogen and potassium level of the soil. Many other good nutrients are there, so we will make the good fertilizer for this. I have stuffed all the organic matters in this jar, and then I'm adding jaggery in this. We have to melt it in the water. Later on I'll do it. And then 1 liter of water. Stir it well. And then we have to keep this for 1 week. And every day we have to just stir it well. For the better result, we can keep for 1 week. Otherwise, within 2 days also we can use this. We have to then strain it with this and keep it in a jar. And then we have to add little bit of water in this. More water and less this concentrated solution. If we have used 2 cups of liquid fertilizer, then 5 liter of water we have to add in this, and then we can pour in our plants for the healthy and disease free growth. Same way like all these fruits and vegetables scraps we can use, and we can make this liquid fertilizer. This has a good amount of beta carotene and many other nutrients. And when we make this liquid fertilizer, we have to keep it under the shade, not under the sunlight. That we have to take care. So the peels of pomegranate, carrot and papaya, all these have been mixed with this, and after 4 days this is the result. Then we can take it in a glass and mix some more water in it, and then we can use it for our garden. Now we are going to make the liquid fertilizer from neem. Neem leaves are full of antioxidants. They have the antiviral, antibacterial and antifungal properties. So these leaves can be helpful for the healthy growth of the plants. To avoid any type of disease, we can use the neem leaves as a liquid fertilizer. After making it, we can fill it in the jar. So first what we have to do, like this, take a big vessel and boil 2 liter of water up to 100 degrees Celsius. After that, put all the leaves into this water. After 48 hours, this is the result. You can see the color of the water has been changed, and also the leaves color have been changed. Now with this strainer, we have to filter this in the jar, and then we have to fill in the sprayer, and then we can use it for our plants, for the healthy growth of the plants. To avoid any type of mosquitoes or ants or any types of bugs in the garden, we can use this water. We can also directly pour this water into the roots like this. And then close the cap of the jar. Keep it for 2 days. All the good nutrients from the peels will be absorbed by the water, and this water will be useful for the plants. The color of the water will be changed, and all the good nutrients we can utilize for our. After 48 hours, this is the result. The color of the water has been changed, and all the good nutrients from the banana peels have been absorbed by the water. Now this water we have to filter and we have to add in the normal water, and then we can use it for our plants. Now I'm going to filter this with this strainer. And this all remains can be used in our compost also. Now we have to add some more water in this. The ratio is if 2 cups of this liquid fertilizer, then 1 liter of water we have to add in this, and then we have to use this sprayer, or else directly also we can pour it in the roots of our plants for the healthy growth of the plants and for the more flowering. And this can be used in the kitchen garden also for our herbs and all. This liquid fertilizer made up from banana leaves I am adding in this aloe vera plant. In any succulent plants you can use this. And finally, one small experiment I am going to show you. This is fenugreeks. I had grown before 1 week. For that I had taken totally unfertile soil and I have used this liquid fertilizer. After 1 week you can see the result. So here we are not using any type of liquid fertilizer and we are keeping harmony with nature. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Bye. This is Purvi Dave.